Well, take a look here. These numbers are just becoming far too normal. Nearly 3,000 new cases of coronavirus reported in Colorado today. Nationwide, 100,000 new cases reported for the first time ever.
And state leaders continue to sound the alarm. More restrictions will come if we don't change our behavior.
Denver 7's Jennifer Kovaleski reports on the state's worsening COVID-19 outbreak.
Case rates are going up in all age groups.
As COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations grow to an alarming rate in Colorado, demand for testing is growing with it.
We have really turned over every stone we can to find testing resources.
And state health leaders say we have to do more to slow the spread.
At this point, we are at our highest case count since the beginning of the pandemic.
Colorado's top health leaders say at least 18 counties, those you see in red, are moving close to or already at stay-at-home levels.
Stay-at-home is real, and it's an option.
Dr. Eric France, the state's chief medical officer, says they are doing everything they can to avoid another stay-at-home order. But restrictions are likely going to increase, and we could soon see counties put curfews in place or limit gatherings.
As Coloradans need to personally do our part by taking the precautions that we had in place last April.
Health experts are urging people to wear masks and stay at home as much as possible. They predict we will likely exceed April's hospitalization numbers in the next few days. The upcoming holidays are also a major concern. How do you balance family time with pandemic?
So I would strongly encourage people to have smaller Thanksgiving this year, smaller Christmas this year, travel less, fewer people, farther apart, outside when possible.
Dr. Richard Zane is the head of emergency medicine at UC Health. He says now is not the time to stop taking precautions.
People are really tired of this. There's a significant COVID fatigue out there. And when people are fatigued, they let their guard down.
If we stay on the current trajectory, health experts warn we could reach ICU capacity as soon as the third week of December. Meanwhile, testing sites like this one at Jeffco Stadium are starting to run out of their daily capacity within hours, telling the story of a state in the middle of a fall peak.
Certainly testing capacity, like all capacity, is a concern as we see more and more cases occurring in the state.
I'm Denver 7 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski.